morning, guys. Don't mind how me look. I just wake up and I did not do an intro for this video. So it's a prep with me for my final year of nursing school.
Why you always in the mood? I'm acting brand new. I ain't trying to tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Baby, I ain't playing.
I started the video with an intro. Can you believe me? But yeah, it's 1 week till school starts. I think this video started 2 weeks before school or 3 weeks before school started. But you guys will see me getting myself prepared for school. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And tell a friend to tell a friend. Also, guys, you guys can comment videos that you guys would want to see of me in my final year of nursing school, and I'll see how best I can get those videos out for you. So enjoy the rest of the video. Alright guys, me just sign in so we'll get grades and a time for register. And don't mind how me look, might as well me just get registration out of the way because boy, I'll totally forget. So hopefully this not give me no problem for register. 2025-2026 semester 1. Guys, I'm entering my final year. So nursing. Alright. What courses are we doing? So we're doing peds, so that's 4010. Campus that I am on the Western campus, guys. Search. Alright, so I'm gonna add a lab, a tutorial, and a lecture, because that's how we do it again. So search again, and then I am going to look for the practical course, which is 11, and I'm going to search again. So time conflicted. Alright, to add that, search again. We're doing 2 courses this semester, research and peds. Research is like a continuation of research that I did in 3rd year. So a tutorial, a lecture, I think that's it, and then summit. And as you guys can see, why did I refresh this? At the bottom here, seeing that I have successfully, I went on Amazon and I bought some locks. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I did not want anything long, so it's 20 inches, and I'm planning to dip them in hot water so they stretch. Yeah. Now, are the spring afro twister wrap. This is 16 inches, and both of the ears I think is 1B. 8 of them. I thought it was going to be 4, but then when I went back I realized that I had put in a 24-inch locks with 4 wrapping ear, and the 20-inch that has 7 and this at 8, and I guess I end up with the 7 and the 8 and the 6 back locks with the 4 wrapping ear. Well, when I look at it, I think these were cheaper than them.
I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a money. I can smoke already so cold in my blood, yeah. I see fast, pretty fading, so I got your trust, yeah. But I let my guard down to you. Said I put my guard down to you. Said I'll be the boss. First time we did it. First time we did it. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable. So you can break my heart if you want to. She said take your time. What's the rush? Take your time. I said baby I'm a dog. She said take your time. What's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog.
So guys, my hair is finished. First time to try locks. It have to grow up on me. I like it, but it have to grow up on me. So I did not do it this time. My friend did it. She me kind of glad. And it done quick. So I'll show you guys a better picture of the hair when I'm home. Yeah, it's one hot, so I have to be under umbrella. So I'll see you guys when I'm home. Y'all don't mind how I look. I am so tired, but it's packing the bag time. So I dry cleaned my bag. I can't wash it because I had the whole charging thing. So it was dry cleaned. It's just me to pack it now. So I'm gonna pack it for my first class on Monday because every day is going to be different. So yeah. Alright, so I have 2 books, 1 for 1, and I think I'm going to continue my research book from last year, so I don't think I'm going to need this one, but I have 1 course on Monday, so inside goes my emergency kit. If you guys want me to do a video on it, I can do one. These are supposed to go in it, but I'll soon put that in it. My umbrella and the ruler. I guess that's all for the top part. Here now I am going to have my purse. Why me have 50 different lip gloss? Alright, this I forgot on my ear because my ear been locked, so I have this. So I need to put more oil. I have lip gloss, lip balm, lip gloss. Don't ask me why I have so much. This is a little miniature spray. I need to put more in there. And then this I got from a brand and it's cocoa flavor and I love it so much, so it's always there. So pencil case time. Yeah man. Scissors is a must. Sharpeners, eraser, my highlighters, another highlighter, and basically what I feel like 100 pen. Oh my god! And then my lovely pens. I got this one from a company that came by the hospital and they did a presentation and we got to sit in with the doctors. So yeah, so this is going here. I also have my calculator that will also be going in the front part, and then when I get my, I'm gonna put a rag there, and what else is going to go there? My glasses pouch. So I guess that's all for my bag. So yeah guys, so guys, we have basically come to the end of my prep with me for my senior year video. It's a bit short. I wanted to do some tips on for first year students in the video, but I don't think that will be happening. But if it's the case that you guys want me to do a video like that, I can surely do a whole video by itself on tips, tricks, the whole works, 9 yards of nursing school. So I'll see you guys in my get ready with me for my first day video, or if it's not, it's going to be the first week of school video. So I'm trying to be on the roll of posting for my senior year because I need the memories, guys. I so need them. So I'll catch you guys in those videos. Mwah.